Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 75. A life of leisure is a life of pleasure. Full stop. Needless to say, this is a fallacy, but, false as it is, it is fairly widely spread. Full stop. Many foolish fellows bewail their lack of means to choose either to loll or to labor, just as they like. Full stop. They look jealously on those who appear to have nothing else to do but eat and drink and enjoy a merry life, when the poor man toils ceaselessly for food and lodging for himself and family, full stop. But in simple truth, there is no more awful life than the lazy, useless life of the idle man, and it is also true to say there are exceedingly few rich men nowadays liable to the charge of laziness, because they know the busy life is the happy one. Full stop. Happiness is an elusive thing, and more rich men than poor fail to grasp it. Full stop.